So we talked about yin, is facing, right? So you face me, right? And you use a zhuang right? Zhuang right? So yin is facing the image, okay? So he's going to look at me as a whole image, yin, okay? So if I'm over here and I change to be over here, you face me, right? If I'm over here, change to face me. That's very important, okay? So it's the same thing in Qi, okay? Again, I had a lot of great Kung Fu brothers, and they were able to manipulate and find angles, you know? They were able to do stuff, control, and then come off to the side, you know? So the lesson I learned there was very important, facing. You have to yin, right? Have to yin. So when we're doing our Qi, and I'm training you, okay? So look, as I roll, and I create some openings, and I might step to the side. Now you gotta switch. You gotta go this way to face me. Right, do it again. Right, so square up. So if I come off this way, right? Cut me off. Come back here. Right? So look, I'm gonna take an angle on them. So I'm gonna create an opening here. I step here to the center, but my whole hip's gonna move over. So I step here, my body's gonna be over here. When I hit, I wanna be a little bit off on you, right? So here, I'm off already, right? So you gotta turn, right? And also you gotta run your hands to recover your center. This is off. Okay, so as we roll, and as I start to step in, right, a little bit more, there you go. And remember the Sam Gok Ma, right, Sam Gok Ma, good. Now, and come back as one, try it again. All right, so when I come in, I'm gonna step off, right, punch right in, yeah, okay. Try it again. Right, step in, good. Try this side, so I can see it. So when I step in, I'm here, I'm over here. There you go. It's good that you're feeling it right away.